Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the detector and target area. Do this now. Power the unit, confirm firmware is current, and position it 0, 5 to 2 meters from suspected zones. Once done, minimize electronic noise, switch phones to airplane mode and close Wi-Fi. You calibrate next. Run the quick auto calibration to set baseline sensitivity because accurate baseline prevents false positives. Make sure to note ambient readings, so when the detector spikes, you'll immediately see what changed and why it matters. You now perform a systematic sweep to collect meaningful data. Start at one corner and use slow, overlapping passes. Keep speed consistent so readings are comparable. Next, adjust sensitivity. Choose low in busy environments and high in quiet spaces, because that trade-off reduces noise while catching weak signals. As you scan, tag each detection with a timestamp and location. This makes correlation and repeat scans easier. Finally, run a focused follow-up on any high-confidence hits. You finish by confirming and resolving findings. Don't stop at one reading. Verify each detection with a secondary method, visual check, another detector, or a controlled test, because confirmation prevents wasted fixes. After validation, compile a concise report with images, logs, timestamps, and your recommended next steps. If results seem inconsistent, troubleshoot. Recalibrate, replace batteries, or reinstall firmware. Intermittent issues often come from low power or outdated software. Remember one tip: if nothing helps, swap units to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.